Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this open fingers tumble cuffs. So when you're going to the gym, we always love to wear these tumble cuffs when we're doing basically our workout. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make these cuffs. Let's get into it. So guys, you're going to need a fabric that in my case is 8 inches by 8 inches. So the width that is 8 inches is going to be the widest part of your palm. So whatever you get, you're going to add 0.5 inch to it. And then I'm going to measure this particular 8 inches on the stretchiest part of my fabric and then measure it by 8 inches. Once that is marked, I'm going to take the first two pieces for one hand and I'm going to place it right sides facing each other, and then I'm going to sew along the width, so the part where you measured around your palm, that's where you're going to be sewing by 0.25 inch. So that's what I've done right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm now going to open it up just like this, and then I'm going to fold it into two like this, and then I'm going to pin it down at that point. Now I'm now going to go to the end of this fabric and I'm going to fold it inwards. So just like I'm doing right here, guys, just follow what I'm doing in the video. Fold it inwards at the top by 1/4 of an inch and pin it down right there. Do the same thing for the other side. So fold it by 0.25 inch, pin it down right there as well. And then from the center, we're going to measure 2 inches down from the center on both sides, 2 inches. And then after that 2 inches, you're going to measure another 1.5 inch. So just like I'm doing right here, mark 2 inches, pin it right there on both sides, and then go down again by 1.5 inches. Now it's time to sew our pieces together. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sew it from this edge right here. So from the end, I'm going to sew it using 0.25 inch to that 1.5 inch. And then I'm going to leave that space, that 1.5 inch, I'm going to leave the space. Then continue sewing it down that 2 inches and the other 2 inches, then leave that 1.5 inch again as a space and sew it to the end from there. So those two 1.5 inches points are open spaces. And then once I've done that, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see the open spaces that I left? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it facing each other just like this. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the inside pieces, so the inside edges, I don't know how to explain it, it's going to be inwards. So you're going to be catching only the ones on the outside. So you have 4 seams basically, so you're going to be taking only the ones outside and they're going to pin it down just like this. So can you guys see? I'm pushing that one inside, the ones inside, I'm pushing them inside more so that I can pin the ones on the outside. So just follow exactly what I'm doing. So push it inside and pin only the ones on the outside. Now once that is done, I'm going to continue till I get to the end and sew it down to the end, so that once I turn it to the other side, these ones that I was pushing inside would be here and to be easy for me to sew basically. So I've done it on this one, I've sewn it on the outside. Can you guys see? I've sewn it on the outside and it looks really nice. I used my machine to sew it. So once it's turned to this other side, you're going to see the raw edges as well, and you're going to sew it down on that spot as well. Now guys, once that is done, this is how you're going to turn it inside out. So you're going to take this piece just like this, so just follow what I'm doing and put it inside the other one, and they're going to have one clean piece on the inside and on the outside. So can you guys see the hole that we left? That's where our thumb is going to go through. So to finish your edges, you're going to fold the edges inside, so just like I've done right here, fold it in by 1/2 inch, and then you're going to sew it all around using a zigzag stitch. And once I'm done with that, this is what my thumbhole cuffs looks like. I love it, guys. Look at it. Now if you want a more snug fit, you're going to reduce the measurements of your palm measurements. But if you want a loose fit, this is what you're going to do. You're going to just measure the correct measurements and use it, and this is what it looks like. So guys, that's the end of this particular tutorial. If you love it, please comment in the comment section. I would love to answer your questions if you have any questions. I'm also going to be dropping other active wear content. I have dropped the biker shorts, sports bra. You guys should go check it out. I have other sewing tutorials as well. Amazing DIY, beginner friendly, sustainable pieces, clothes that you can wear in more than one way. Basically, I love making sustainable fashion pieces that you can wear in multiple ways. And I'm going to be dropping more videos on this activewear collection, zip up hoodie, sweatshirts, joggers. Guys, you're in for a great ride. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I post any amazing video like this. Hit the like button as well. Share this video within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.